Looking to boost your Shopify dropshipping business with fast and reliable shipping? Focus on US and EU based suppliers. These suppliers offer significantly quicker delivery times, typically 1 to 7 days, compared to overseas options. This leads to happier customers and fewer delays. As of 2025, the dropshipping market values speed and ethical practices, making US EU suppliers a smart choice. Key benefits include easier communication, better quality control, and alignment with sustainability trends. Several suppliers excel in the US EU market. Spocket and Salehu are known for vetted vendors and fast shipping. Oberlo integrates with AliExpress but emphasizes US sellers. Modalist offers express options, while Doba provides rapid fulfillment from US warehouses. Keep an eye on trends like local sourcing, where 65% prefer US EU suppliers. Also, watch for AI driven inventory management and eco friendly practices. Rising shipping costs may lead to hybrid models, but US EU suppliers are projected to lead due to reliability and speed. Always verify supplier details before committing.